Hello everybody, I'm Enchanted Moon and welcome to my channel. Today I have a wonderful witchy unboxing for you today. It is from the Magickal Folk. This is the Sabbat series. It's a big box and I'm excited to share it with you guys. So let me just tear open this envelope here to get out the box. Okay, so it comes with the black outer for your protection, and this is what it says: Folklore and Fairy Tales by Magickal Folk. It's a big, pretty box, and it's very heavy. Again, because it's loaded with wonderful items. So I'm excited to see Mabon's. And this is what it looks like, guys, when I open it. Okay. Like I said, I'm super excited. Okay. So we have our paperwork, which we'll go over at the end. Obviously, it says about the items in the box, so we'll go over that last. I love the paper. It's so pretty. I love that. Wish I could find some nice paper like that. And then again, this is what it looks like. My box has been like crushed on the bottom, so I'm hoping everything's okay. We'll find out. So the first thing on top I have here is a reusable tea bag. And then we have this on top. Very cute. It looks like recipe cards. They are. They're very cute. I don't want to... All right. I have no choice to... I'm tired, guys. All right. So, these are really cute. The cauldron. And this is the back. Really nice. Like these. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these awesome recipe cards. And then we have right here on top Mabon, which is herbal, which is clove and nutmeg. I like the pretty theme too. Very cool. And then we got Mabon bath tea, which is rose and orris roots. Bath tea. We have our wax melts, which is cranberry apple marmalade. And let's see what they look like. I'm gonna say they're like a red or something. Reddish orange. Oh, they smell good. Oh, it's pink. It smells good. Okay, what else we got in here? I wish my box didn't ship, but it did. All right, so on this side, we have our beautiful big candle. And this one is, I love the label. I can't read it. It just says Mabon, but very pretty color. Big jar candle. There you see, I can open it. Oh, and it smells good. It really smells yummy. Well, I guess we'll read in the description what's in this guy. It smells really awesome. Then we have our floor sweep, which is thyme, oak, oat straw, red clover, and green aventurine for our floor sweep. Oh, thank God it didn't break. We have our Mabon ritual salt, which is white oak bark sea salt. I'm getting no room here in this big, beautiful jar. These are big, full-size items, guys. Super big. And then we have, I love these. Wild Abundance, I believe it says. Gem botanical infused. Sorry, guys. Sunflower, sandalwood, and Acacia. Botanical. Like a very gold color. Very pretty. What else? We gotta be close to the end. Oh. We have our Mabon Altar Wash, which is apple cider vinegar, pine, and marjoram. Big bottle. And guys, I'm not good at pronouncing words. You should know that by now. We have our ritual oil, our perfume, and we have a crow, which is flying bomb. Big one. And last, I think, is this. So let's see what this is. Oh, no, there's one more. We got this little bag here, tied beautiful. Really cute here. It says Quasera Tower and Tourmaline. Let me see. Really tied this good. All right, let's see. We have our Quasera Tower. Very pretty blues and browns. And tourmaline, they said, so let's check out. And we got a piece of tourmaline. And it's, okay. A cute little baggie. And I think this is the last of it. Usually they make a handmade item, but I guess the handmade item is the cauldron recipe cards. And in here we have our ritual oil and our tincture. So our tincture is elderberry, which is really good. And our ritual oil is Mabon, of course. And it's got some herbies in there. All right, let's go over our wonderful Mabon box. Okay. Paperwork I hid behind me. Paperwork is beautiful, guys. All right, folklore box items. Okay, I don't think I see that. First item. Okay. It says iron nails for inscribing protection runes or sigils. I don't see that. Let me double check. There's nothing in this box that I'm missing, right? Okay. No. All right, so the first item I'm missing. A home is more than four walls, whether it's filled with pitter-patter of feet or paws. It serves as a solid for one. Our homes represent security, comfort, and substance. As such, home protection magic dates far back as the concept of a home being four permanent walls and a roof. Many of the items used to protect the home were common everyday items such as old clothes, particularly shoes. While the purpose is unclear, some believe that clothing the house, they protected it as they would their body. Others assume the garments were a form of an offering. Iron horseshoes, knives, nails were frequently placed in your windows, over beds, and doorways, as irons was believed to ward off ghosts, fairies, and other forms of malevolent. Some might say most powerful and economic form of protection was the witch mark. These marks were carved into wood and stone around the thresholds of home, churches, barns, preventing evil from entering. So, unfortunately, the first item, guys, I don't have. So, I will let them know. I don't know how big the nails are or what. And I didn't get the second item either, which makes sense. The wooden acorn organs. Those are little wooden. It says, we have provided 6 wooden acorns painted with Celtic crows. Oh, I'm very sad. I really want that. All right, so I'm missing 2 items so far, guys. The first 2. All right, so that makes sense. All right. I'll let them know, but unfortunately I can't share with you guys what they are because they're not here. Then it goes into the perfume sabbat oil. The intention is from lemongrass, poppy seed, aventurine, and can reap the harvest that honors the heart's desires. Lemongrass is attributed to air in the masculine, and poppy seed, governed by the feminine water, perfectly balanced by green aventurine, ruled by earth. So we got that, and then we got the Wild Abundance body oil. Wild Abundance body oil. All right, so we got the oil. Oh, that is this beautiful thing here. Okay. That is handcrafted with sometimes it's hard to find it. Oh, unscented sandalwood. Oh, here it is. Pumpkin extract, rapeseed oil, another oil, fractionated coconut, jojoba oil, a lot of oils, dried sunflowers, unscented sandalwood. That's all I see. Sunflower protects, and then of course you got mica. Contains fragrance and mica. That's what it says. Then the crow flying balm, which is protective, purifying, enables you to soar with the crow, merging with night, peek into depths, viewing the past, present, and future, which is this. All right, so we're missing the first 2. And then where's the rest of the items? Okay. Then it has the Mabon candle, which is this gorgeous baby right here. It has lapis lazuli for wisdom, vision, and good fortune. The stone of opportunity is aventurine, expands for possibilities. Has eyebright and safflower, sage. Premium fragrances, so it's not telling you what the fragrances are. But it smells really awesome. Then the Mabon Ritual Salt, which is obviously white oak bark. I'm wondering if it says anything else. I mean, it goes into quite details, but Mabon bath tea, obviously that goes into your bath, and that's why you got the little bag, the tea bag, reusable bag, and that is somewhere buried on the bottom here. Mabon bath tea, then the iron nails for inscribing runes, which we did not get. And flip it here. Mabon Ritual Oil, which is this here. You can anoint your candles, your tools. This tells you what it's made with. It says warm cinnamon, earthy vanilla, crisp apple, and floral chamomile. And then Mabon Altar Wash, which is right here. Cleansing all your tools, your space to attract, magnifying your attraction and spiritual abundance and material wealth. The floor sweep, which we said has the thyme, oak straw, red clover, and green aventurine. The elderberry spice herbal remedy, made from elderberry, cloves, cinnamon, and a few drops under the tongue, and tincture will purify your body, mind, and spirit. In preparation for shadow season, from autumn's first chill until sun's return. This is also a natural pain reliever for achy joints, muscle triggered, and by cooler temperatures. It's good for fending off infection, cold, and flu. Because I make that too. It's really good. I have a nice recipe if you guys want. Mahjong, Betsy, herbal remedy, flower sweet, body oil. What am I missing? Missing those. Ah. Oh, I don't know. I think I'm missing a page too. Did I drop one? No. All right. Candle, ritual salt bath tea, guys. Sorry. Ritual oil wash, sweep, remedy, perfume oil, body oil, flying balm. The two things I'm missing. Then we have over here the energy and attunement guide, meditation, our energy attunements. And then we have our ritual here, our spell ritual, the 2 pages. So I'm missing a page too because it's not going over our wax melts, our herbal, our crystals, and our cards. And that was the reusable tea bag. So, I guess I will add the clip to this at the end when I get the last 2 items so you guys can see, because they look like the real good items that you should absolutely see. But otherwise, what do you guys think of this box? I think I like it a lot. I really like it better with the missing items. And I think we're missing a page as well about the other items in the box. So I'll just let them know. But in the meantime, I'll leave the information down below about this wonderful box. And thanks for watching.